This is an exercise in learning to observe things more carefully or being more observant. We're going to look at the camouflage of animals. And so we're going to build an invented habitat for the animal, three-dimensional. That means that it's an object or a sculpture, it's not a drawing, that hides the animal. So you have to really look carefully what colors it's made out of, what geometries of the wings, what sticks out the most, so you can build something that hides it. The only colors you need are red, blue, and yellow. I remember I learned that when I first took a watercolor class. We were only allowed to use red, blue, and yellow, and we had to make all the other colors from those. And it really was helpful for teaching you how to mix colors. Sometimes some paints, it's just hard to get different hues out of them. When you use the red, blue, and yellow, you can get, for example, a light blue out of it. I mean, a really nice aqua turquoise. I think it's okay. It's just good it's a good practice to start with those and just see what you can make. The more mixed up it is, the better it is for what you're doing, because you're trying to make a camouflage, kind of like a imitation or invented habitat. If you look around you in a forest or anywhere, the colors it's never just one color. Now we're gonna make a three-dimensional kind of spatial frame inside this box, to which we can start to attach some pieces of paper that we cut out, some of the leaves we collected, to make it a really nice sculpture where kind of sculpted habitat to hide these birds in. Frame is when you look at a building before it's finished, it has columns and beams, or if you look at a net, like a volleyball net or anything like that, it has sort of this matrix, right, of lines. That's what we're going to make. A framework that we can attach things to. Just have fun. Maybe you take some of these fuzzy things, you know, something else with them. Maybe the animal stays there. It's kind of visible, so I'll try to hide it. Oh, like that. Or the leaf. That's the same color. So the leaf might be better. It's important while you're working on it to turn the sculpture that you're working on around, because if you're going to only look at it from one perspective, that's too flat a way of looking at something that's three-dimensional. You really have to see what's going on the other side, and it'll help you get new ideas. I mean, just look at this little bird. It looks very different from the front than it does from the side than it does from the top. And if you're only going to work at it from one angle, you would not get such a beautiful, three-dimensionally rich object.